In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a constant contact list name. A list in Constant Contact is how you organize your contacts so you can send the right emails to the right group of people. Creating clear, consistent list names also helps you stay organized as your audience grows. In this walkthrough, you will open the Lists area, create a new list, name it, save it, and then decide how to add contacts to it. Start by looking at the top navigation in your Constant Contact account. Find the Audience menu, click the Audience drop-down, and then select Lists and Segments. This takes you to the section where Constant Contact stores your contact groupings, including lists you have already made and any segments you use for targeting. Next, move to the top right of the page. Click Create New. A small menu will open with options for what you can create. Choose List, and then click Continue. This tells Constant Contact you are creating a brand new list, not editing an existing one. Now you will name your new list. Type a name that is specific and easy to recognize later. A helpful tip is to include a clear identifier, like the purpose of the group or where the contacts came from, so you can tell lists apart at a glance. Keep the name short enough to scan quickly, but descriptive enough that you will not confuse it with another list. Once you are happy with the name, click Save. After saving, your list will be created, and it will appear with your other lists. At this point, you can start adding people to the new list. You have two main options: upload contacts or select existing contacts. If you are bringing in a new set of contacts, use the upload option and follow the prompts to import them. If the contacts are already in your account, select existing contacts and add them to this list. Take a moment to confirm you are adding the correct contacts to avoid mixing audiences. After you add contacts, your list is ready to use for future emails and campaigns. And that is all there is to it.